I've been seeing this new trend going around recently where people are converting their photos not into black and white, into this monochromatic effect where they just use a single color. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can recreate this effect just using Lightroom Classic. And I'm going to start right now. Now, when it comes to editing photos, you don't just have to choose between color and black and white. There's actually a third option, and it's called monochromatic, where we're not using black as our main color, we're using a specific hue. And we can actually create this effect inside Lightroom Classic. So firstly, go ahead, open up Lightroom Classic, choose a photo. I'm choosing this lovely landscape here. And then what we're gonna do is open up our basics panel first. Now inside here, we just wanna convert the photo into black and white. We can do that go into this button here that says B and W. That will convert the photo from color into black and white. Now to add our specific hue, we just need to jump into our color grading panel. So what we're gonna do, go from our basics panel and drop all the way down to where you can see it says color grading. And it's split into shadows, midtones and highlights. So go to your midtones channel here, then you want to go ahead and choose the hue of your choice. So I'm going to go for a nice warm tone. I'm probably going to go and choose for a hue of around 35 degrees. Then I'm going to go to my saturation slider. I'm going to go ahead and increase it. The more that you increase it, the more you're adding in that specific hue there. You can also go to the luminance slider there and also control the brightness of that color that you're adding in. And it's that simple. You can even go further if you wanted to by adding in color to the highlights and also shadows. You can add in multiple colors if you want to, but in my opinion, I prefer just that simple monochromatic effect. And there we go, guys. That is really simple on how you can create this beautiful monochromatic effect in your photos just using Lightroom Classic. Here is the before and here is the after.